Hey, welcome. I've just finished another great trading session with binary options on a platform called Quadex. If you want to find out the result of this trading session, watch this video till the end. Let's start straight away. I'm Oliver. Let's go. Right, guys, we're gonna start straight away with $180. We got to a support level, so from there we're gonna bounce off up. So therefore, call option for 1 minute, $184. And let's wait for the result. Also, if you look at the stochastic oscillator, that's also given us an indication that the price is going to go up. So yeah, let's wait for it and we continue. Here's the first profit from this option, guys, from the first option. And it was correct. As you can see, this is exactly what's happening. These are the patterns that usually work most of the time. So let's move on. Let's put the entire benefits that we got, profits, towards the next option. This is a technique to be used for exponential growth of your balance. Creates a snowball effect. Let's move on, and I'm changing the currency here. Okay, so let's see. Let's have a look. We went through the middle line of the channel of the Keltner, which is a good indication for the price to go up. Here it went down. Let's have a look. If that goes through, we can make a call option here. If this bar goes through, it means it breaks the resisting middle line of the Keltner channel and will go further up to test the top line, the top of the channel. Check it out. It looks like it's gonna go through, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the option. And yeah, let's find out if that's correct. Looks good though. Here is the next profit, guys. It's getting there. It's getting to some nice amounts. We're gonna place the entire 6, 7, 8 of our balance towards the next option. And as you can see, also stochastic was giving us a good indication here that the price was going up, because it was, both of the lines were looking way up. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Towards the next one. Right, let's see. We're getting to another kind of, support. To another support here, but I'm not sure if there's still a bit more time. I think it's gonna bounce off. Yeah. So, see, that was a good impulse, and I acted with really fast. But as you can see, stochastic oscillator is also about to cross the other line to go. That's an indication that it's going to go up if it crosses it from below. Yeah, looks good. I think we're good here. Hopefully there's enough time. Most of the time it's the timing that is plays vital role, because we might know what's going to happen, but we don't know 100% when. So we kind of with the timing, we kind of try to guess more or less the timing, especially with small time frames like this. With binary options, you could do a lot longer. It doesn't have to be very short, but for these videos we do dynamic. I change the assets, I switch between the assets, so it's very dynamic, and I look for some clear indication situation that you can actually benefit from this. We have the profit from this, and it's into 4 figures now, so that's pretty good profit already. We're gonna push it a bit more, guys, and we're gonna place another option. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. This helps channel enormously. I'm sure you know that. And let's just put this 1,000 in there. And and yeah, don't forget to check the description to this video for an invitation link to a Telegram group where you can learn about trading, lots of useful info that I share with my team. I have a beautiful team that with tons of experience that are sharing, guys, all the indicators, explanations, oscillators, strategies to build your own. In the first place, to build your own trading strategies, and also basic technical analysis and more in-depth patterns, graph behaviors, and all that. So don't forget that it's in the description to this video. Right, let's have a look. We're breaking through, this is vice versa situation. We're breaking through the middle of the Keltner channel, so we're gonna go opposite direction with a put option, 1 minute, and let's wait for the result and continue. Here is the profit, guys, and as you can see, it's a fat one. Now we're in the 2000, and the next one is going to be, next option is going to be 2K. And yeah, let's try to make it really cautious. Well, not really cautious, but with some precision, because the stakes are higher now, and to understand better, you know, in that there is no 100%. So you do get it to maybe, let's just have a look. Right, so a put option at this point, because we entered a zone of overvalued asset price and overbought. It doesn't hold there for too long, because traders start to receive the profits from buying cheap, selling expensive, and therefore in this zone we should be going down. And if you look at it, it looks like it started to lose power, the trend, the upper trend that was there, and basically it starts to go slower and slower. Yeah, let's wait for the result of this option and continue. And here it is. I spoke through the whole minute. That's a really nice profit already. We're almost at 4K. Let's push just a little bit more. As I was saying, it's never 100%. We try to get it to maybe 70, 80 if you're really good, 80% with the correct strategy, but it's never 100%. We must understand that. So right, the next option, let's move on. Just looking here. Let's just place a bit longer. I think it's gonna go to the next maximums. So yeah, it looks generally an upper trend, and it got support in the face of the middle of the Keltner channel, and now it's going up, and I think it looks like it's breaking new grounds and maximums. So yeah, let's wait. I made the time a bit longer, so there's a bit more assurance. As I said, the stakes are pretty high. So let's wait for the result of this option and continue. Oh, here it is. Here are the big profits, guys. This went really well. We're gonna stop here. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.